Sorry about that. So the benefits of using Cucumber is that you can actually see the functionality without having to worry about the implementation details. Okay, you're not worrying about what methods are going to be called, what the actual code that's going on behind the scenes. What you're doing is you're looking at the experience. A lot of people use Cucumber right now to test the web interface to their application, but what I would propose is that it's just as useful for testing the API experience. And so let's go through that a little bit. Let me show you a little bit of Cucumber. I'm going to do this whole time. I've built a couple of test apps. So at the end of the talk, I'll provide the GitHub link. It's all open. You guys can see all the code and the implementation details. But right now what I want to do is I want to walk through an example feature file. So is there, and I think that this has been asked before, Jonas, you asked this, is there anybody who doesn't know Cucumber? It's okay if you want to raise your hands. That's fine. So this will be good. For those of you who know Cucumber a little bit, you'll probably have seen some of this before, but I think it's a good idea to get an introduction. And besides, it sort of sets things up. So this is the description of the first feature that I wrote when I was putting together these test apps. And so what I'm doing is I'm building a little address book. And in my address book, I can have cards. Cards representing a contact in my address book. So as an API client, the role that I have, in order to add a person to the address book, I can create a card. This doesn't actually do anything, but this right off the top describes the behavior of this particular feature, okay? So the second part of this is the actual scenario, and this describes how I'm going to do what I just said I want to be able to do. So in this case, in the scenario, I'm going to say that I send and accept JSON data, and what I want to do is I want to post to a particular URL with the following data. Now I put ... there because it's just basically takes up a lot of screen space, but in my examples I will actually show you that you can put the JSON in line or the XML, whatever it may be. And then I want to check the response